Alright, gonna do a quick unboxing of the new mic. As you can see, the picture on the box, nothing like what the mic actually is. So let's get right into it. Paperwork. For you that can read. Comes with a mount. Let's see what we got in here. So you can put it in here and put it on a nice boom. Got a nice heavy duty cable with the locking on it. Not bad. Comes with sound muffler, and then we get to the actual mic. Nothing else in here. Let's see. Nice. Locks in good. Got bungees to keep it secured so it doesn't rotate around. Nice heavy duty mic. I'll give a follow-up review of it in a couple of weeks, how it reacts, how good it sounds. And sorry about the feed earlier. My Xsplit was having problems, so I'm just making this quick little video for everybody that was tuned in that missed out. Alright, see y'all later.